Hi everyone, my name is Michelle and I'm an MS1 here at UC San Diego and also part of the Prime Health Equity Program. This past spring, I had the honor of being named a RAMP Scholar for the HIV Vaccine Trials Network. I'm currently working with the Project Achieve team at New York Blood Center on HIV community engagement events. Let me take you through a day in my life in New York City. My day starts with some breakfast and then a lovely walk to my bus stop. I have been truly enjoying the ample public transportation options in New York. Usually, I spend my bus ride reading and taking in the views and the hustle and bustle of the city. Once I get to work, I check in with my co-scholar and intern on the tasks for the day. Our main project revolves around Project Achieve's annual HIV awareness event, a drag pageant called Vaccinolicious. During this event, local drag queens compete for the title of Mixed Vaccinolicious through presentation, talent, and a Q&A. Throughout the night, we have performers and community members speak about HIV prevention strategies such as PrEP and PEP, current HIV vaccine trials, and share their own experiences with HIV and AIDS. This is all done in the hopes of educating the audience as well as to recruit a diverse pool of people for HIV vaccine trials since HIV/AIDS still predominantly affects the queer community. Today specifically, I'm analyzing some of our survey data and preparing to conduct an in-depth interview with one of our community advisory board members. My work here has taken me through many parts of New York City, including tabling at Pride events in Manhattan, the Bronx, and Harlem, being part of National HIV Testing Day with the New York Department of Health, and learning more about the queer nightlife scene to better plan our VOL event. I've loved spending time integrating with and learning from all the HIV-related community-based organizations, and learning how to conduct thoughtful research that truly considers the needs of LGBTQ+ peoples in the city. Thanks for following me along today!